Dros, and this is Sophie Dros. Hello.
Dros here for our Malaysia Ipoh Life playlist.
We are based here in Ipoh City under Perak State in Malaysia.
Sharing what lays here in Ipoh, Malaysia is an absolute pleasure for us.
This is our way of thanking this country of welcoming foreign people like us to live in their country for a pretty long time.
And in this playlist, we're about to see the beauty of Ipoh, Malaysia based on our perspective and why do we think that this place is one of the gems in the world.
We will be showing touristic places, scrumptious foods, great people, relaxing life, and recreational parks for exercise walks, and jogging, family fun times with nature sceneries. Fact about Malaysia, other than
The
Twin
iconic
Tower.
Twin Tower as world's tallest building until 2004.
Location!
Southeastern Asia. They have two land masses, the Peninsula of Malaysia and Malaysian Borneo, separated by South China Sea, which consists of 6 regions. West Coast, East Coast, Johor, Sarawak, Sabah, and Peninsular Malaysia. Singapore was really part of Malaysia until 1960s. That's what my professor said.
Political view. They have unique rotating monarchy system and are under federal constitution, which we also wish would have in our home country, which is the Philippines. Hoping President Duterte would push for federalism. Just a side comment. Life expectancy.
According to Google, life expectancy average here in Malaysia is 76 years old, ranking 63rd from all of the country around the world. It's so crazy.
Population. 92% Malaysians and 8% of non-Malaysians, which is us, so we are part of the lucky 8%. This country has a diverse ethnicity, which is the Chinese, Malays, Indians, and others such as Eurasians, British, Dutch, Portuguese, Nepalese, Burmese, Vietnamese, African, and us, the Filipinos! Colonization.
They were colonized by Great Britain during 1780s until 1950s. And we can see the remnants from the infrastructures and architectural design of establishments around the country, like this. And their accent from some of the words they use, such as taxi, epal, lift, lorry, and they have Tesco here. For everyone who doesn't know, Tesco is a British multinational groceries and general merchandise retailer. Another thing is the upscale production of tea, which was influenced by William Cameron when he established a health retreat in the now known
Cameron Highlands. Natural disasters. The strategic location of Malaysia saves most of the states from natural disasters such as floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, and storms. Except for Sabah that experiencing the earthquakes. Beliefs.
Some of the buildings here don't have 4th floor because in Mandarin, the word number 4 is like a death, and it also brings bad luck. So the numbers in the floor here is 3, 3A, and only 5. And most of the time, this floor is only used as a parking spot.
Right, Sophie? The holidays! Oh my god, I love holidays here. We have so many holidays, and since this is diverse country, they are celebrating all the traditions and cultures of the major ethnic groups such as Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, and Christians. Beaches!
Pristine and crystal clear beaches are only just a drive away and a bit of a boat ride. You don't need to take a plane and spend expensive air ticket. Beaches and islands from East Coast offer these turquoise blue beaches.
Yeah. True. However, it is closed every monsoon season, so it's closed around, I think, November until February because of the monsoon season. Because of the current of the waves are very strong, so they're closing those islands in the East Coast. East Coast yun, di ba? Oh, East Coast. Okay. So, Daligo! Nola!
Yala!
They are using la as an expression like how Canadians using eh?
Really good at making wings, eh?
And since 23% of the population is Chinese, you can also hear ayu, aya, haya, fuyo. Like how Uncle Roger is using it.
How many things can a chef get wrong in one video? Hiya.
The corpse flower! Words largest. 3 feet across and 10 kg overweight. Ew! You can find it here in Malaysia too, in their forest. Nice job, Sophie.
Yeah, you can be a vlogger now. The fruit. Durian is delicacy here in Malaysia, and they have Durian Festival, which is the king of fruit.
Go the drink. Tetarik means te is tea and tarik is pull. It is literally pulled to cool down and make it extra creamy and foamy on top. The second common drink here is ice Milo. Milo ice. Uncle, ada Milo ice ah.
The dish. Their national dish is called nasi lemak, which was basically fragrant rice cooked in coconut milk and served with nuts, boiled egg, cucumber, and sambal. The spices here in Malaysia, all together wrapped in banana leaf.
There you go. Those are some facts of Malaysia that we can share to you on this episode of Ipoh, Malaysia.
We hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts about Malaysia. So now you know that once this pandemic is gone and the borders are open again, really hope, come and explore more of Malaysia. Come here, guys.
Come and explore more of Malaysia.
And this country has more to offer than Twin Tower.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Until next time, everyone. I'm Sophie Dros and this is Ella Dros. And
Dums Dros.
see you next time in our new episode for Ipoh Malaysia playlist. Bye. Bye.
Let's do it.